This workout is called Soul Slap. It's going to be a body weight only workout. So you're going to do 30 push-ups, do 10 wide grip, 10 neutral grip, 10 close grip, and then 50 forward lunge steps. If you have the space to walk, you can do 50 walking lunges. If you don't, you can just do them stationary like I will. And then you're going to go into 20 push-ups, so it'll be 5 wide, 10 neutral, 5 close, and then 30 walking lunge steps or stationary lunges, and then into 2 minutes of non-stop bear crawling. So you're just going to run through that one time. It's called Soul Slap because you feel like your soul is getting slapped. I'll demonstrate the first part of the workout and then part of the crawls here for you. So it's going to start out with 30 push-ups, 10 wide, 10 neutral, 10 close. That's wide, so neutral, hands right under the shoulders. And then close, or diamond, however you want to call them, hands in the diamond. So that's 30, and then go into 50 50 stationary lunges, 25 per leg, or if you can do walking lunges, do 25 walking lunges per leg. I'm not going to go to all 50, but this is what they look like when you're doing it in a small space. Go for about 10 more here. Again, when you're doing lunges, take a big step forward. You don't want your knee to track out over your toe. Sit down, you don't have to smash that back knee into the ground. That's actually ill-advised. So just get a nice deep stretch, right? Keep moving steady, and then to come back up, really push through the middle to back of your foot. Don't try to push off the toes. If you lean too far forward, you end up doing this. So push through the middle and back of your foot. I don't know if you can see our family lab. She's coming to hang out and do some lunges. Right, Minnie? So from there, let's call that 50. You would go into the next part of the push-ups, which are 20 push-ups, and then followed by 30 more lunges, and then finish it off with 2 minutes of non-stop crawling. And again, if you don't have a lot of space, just crawl forward until you run out. Crawl backward. Hey, girl. Right? So you're going to just do this, just non-stop crawling for 2 minutes. Straight, so you can do bear crawl, crab crawl, backwards crawl, leopard crawl, just non-stop crawling for 2 minutes to end the workout. And again, this one's called Soul Slap.